Well, alright then, showtime. Drip like 7-pan clothesline. R.I.P. those guys. Party was see we keep close eye. Now laps feeling up, see all my vibes pan the West Coast.
YouTube, what's going on? Welcome back to the neighborhood. King here. Yo, we got Pete and Bass, Longthorne Shotgun. Link to the original video is gonna be down below in the description box. If you're new, hit the sub, hit the like. Check out our Pete and Bass playlist down below. You feel me? Join the rabbit hole. Y'all go check out that quick one too, man. We just reacted to that. I ain't even gonna spoil it for y'all, man. But hey, shout out to Pete and Bass. You feel me? Like up the comment that we gonna react to next. Yo, if I ever start losing dreads on my head, I promise y'all, I'm gonna be rocking that Bass, bro. Like, I like the look. Shit, I ain't going bald, bro. That's exactly what I would do too. You feel me? Curly in the back.
White or stepper, dripping in black leather. Each stay tucked, never mind cold weather. Bang whenever, your short get peppered. So I get turned black and white like checkers. Blacks and whites in the bench and it's two-tone suits and the boys black belts like judo. Get slapped down flat, no uno. Feds out, guess.
Yo, wait a minute, bro. Hold on. Cuz barred up right now. Wait a
dripping
minute.
in black leather. Each stay tucked, never mind cold weather. Bang whenever, your short get peppered. So I get turned black and white like checkers. Blacks and whites in the bench and it's two-tone suits and the boys black belts like judo. Get slapped down flat, no uno. Feds out, guessing who done it just like Cluedo.
Shotgun pressed on the chest for the kickback. Check shit, get boxed up like a tic-tac. I feel the
Shotgun pressed on the chest for the kickback. Chat shit get boxed up like tic tac. God damn. What? Bro! wait, bro.
I'm white like checkers.
Yo.
In the bench and it's two-tone suits and the boys black belts like judo. Get slapped down flat, no uno. Feds out, guessing who done it just like Cluedo.
shotgun pressed on the chest for the kickback. Check shit, get boxed up like a tic-tac. I fill a fella up with a Big Mac. Lick shots, belly get split like six-pack. I'm in the fast lane, chicks in the back on the bubble with a Chardonnay.
Come on.
I made it through the dark days, phantom. Looking at the roof, you can stargaze.
Bright lights picking up the watch cause it's diamond. Tick-tock clocking with impeccable timing. Hop in the whip and
Yo. Impeccable timing. Yo.
bright lights picking up the watch cause it's diamond. Tick-tock clocking with impeccable timing. Hop in the whip at the first sight of sirens. Back to the pub.
Clock that boy with impeccable timing. God, yo, these are crazy bars, man. This shit crazy.
What's up with the lineman? Fill another cup, yeah, let me sink that. Own run, knock him out the park when I swing bats. Split him in the middle like a Kit Kat. Spliff roll, drink, pour, Lord, can I kick back?
Kickback doesn't work well with a work ethic. I've been through the dirt and I learned lessons.
They having a conversation? Are they talking back and forth to each other?
Doesn't work well with a work ethic. I've been through the dirt and I learned lessons. Went from a dinger with a dents in there, got fence in the bonnet in its pearlescent. Shirt in the dark like a wiggin', right for the picking, fried like a chicken. He could have been alive but he's kicking the bucket, down to the bone, finger licking.
He could have been alive but he kicking the bucket. Wait a minute, bro. Yo. Hey, y'all don't want to mess with these two, man. Yo, this is showing y'all their lyrical ability right here. Just bar after bar after bar, bro. Oh my
in his
God.
Skirt in the dark like a wiggin', right for the picking, fried like a chicken. He could have been alive, but he's kicking the bucket down to the bone, finger licking.
Breaking the plates on the face of a chump, then I'm breaking his bread, then I'm taking a chunk. I ain't never leave a trace, cause I did them up freehand. Gloves on, they ain't getting prints off of these hands.
Yo.
Veg in a platter, the wads got thicker, then the belly got fatter. When the feds come knocking at the door for the same old, I'ma just knock him out flat, no chatter.
Double chuffing the blunt,
Yo,
chugging the
they said
bomb,
not even 12 is safe, man. Don't come knocking on my door. You feel me? I already made sure I did this shit the right way. I had my gloves on. Yo, Pete said, no. He laid out the blueprint. You feel me? I'ma lay him out flat. Don't yo.
Same old, I'ma just knock him out flat, no chatter.
Don't chatter.
Double chuffing the blunt, chugging the Bombay, John Wayne Gate when I'm stepping on the runway. 6-shot cut down, Winnie for the gunplay. Pray for my sins in the church on a Sunday. Spill a man's beans, I'm a drunk chef. Close cut, shaving his dome like I'm.
Spill a man beans, I'm a drunk chef? What? What? Hey. Hey. Yo, get them they flowers. I'm telling you, get them they flowers. Yo, I'm sorry I'm late to the party. But shout out to y'all, man, for putting me on. I'ma keep saying it. Like, these two right here. London villains.
In church on a Sunday. Spill a man's beans, I'm a drunk chef. Close cut, shaving his dome like a monk's head. Bloodshed, taste for the flesh like I'm undead. Sleep best when I'm locked up in a bunk bed.
Oh my God!
Pump, bow, let his body slump in the pub garden. Sitting.
Left him where? He said in the pub garden? Bro. Are y'all hearing this shit right now? Like, nobody wants this in a rap battle, man. Nobody wants this smoke. I'm telling you, man. Hey, this is real rap right here, bro. Oh my gosh.
Bloodshed, taste for the flesh like I'm undead. Sleep best when I'm locked up in a bunk bed.
Man said he got a taste for blood like the undead, bro. Yo. Shaved his ass close like a monk head, bro. Oh my God, yo.
Bow, let his body slump in the pub garden. Sitting finish beginnings, top in the morning. The first flight, oh man, I'm gone and I'm laughing. Smiling, increasing, he's folded and leaking. I've tried to control him, I ought to delete him. Alive in the morning and dead by the evening. I'm taking him home cause the pigs need feeding.
Money when I
They ain't even gonna find your body. They not even gonna find your body. Yo. He giving you to the little piglets, man. You take an arm. You take a leg, man. Who wants a limb? They let Pete give you the whole blueprint, dog. He gave you the whole blueprint. Oh, shit. Man. Don't catch them boys with no shotgun.
The evening I'm taking them home
It's
cause
over
the pigs
for
need
you.
feeding.
Glad when I walk, make money when I talk. No time for the pork, outlined in the chalk. White lines on the board, if you need it, you call me. 3 for 100, same old story. 450, chopped by the pan. Slept in the reps and it's 15 grand. 15 large for the Longthorne shotgun. A shot from nets, an expensive rain.
Yo. Hey, man. Bro. Yo, I'm messing with this song heavy, bro. Just straight bars, bro. Another song, no hook. Yo. Real raw talent, man. Y'all let me know what you thought about this song down below, man. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. Hit the sub, hit the like, and we gonna catch you in the next one. Don't forget to check out that Pete and Bass. Oh my gosh, my bad. That Pete and Bass playlist down below. And we're gonna catch you in the next video. Keep spreading love, peace, and positivity. Until then, your boy King is out.